So as you look at the intermediate blueprint and at the basic blueprint, what questions or wonderings or ahas do you have about the use of these? Or do you see yourself using these at all? Yeah.
Well, I think it's like somebody else said, the balance.
Mm-hmm.
You know, making sure that you aren't too heavy in any one area.
Right. So again, this is taking that balance a step further to include the types of questions that you're asking. Absolutely. Yes, ma'am.
I think it's a good kind of format, or not really template, but kind of like just to kind of use as you're looking at your own assessments, kind of saying, okay, we were talking in our group here that, you know, some of our colleagues would really eat this up and would want to check it every single thing personally, not so much.
Yeah.
But then to go through this and kind of say, okay, I'm good in this area, maybe I really need to kind of focus a little bit more on this.
Yeah, it's a good way for the check and balance. And of course, somebody's going to want to fill in. I need to have at least one of each question, at least something in each of the depths of knowledge. But again, it's thinking to those learning targets, and is it appropriate to ask a level 4 question for that learning target when you can't? I mean, there are some, thinking of math especially, Allison, that those targets do not lend themselves to a level 4 question. Absolutely. Yes, ma'am.
Well, I was also thinking that this is a good way to really look and make sure that your assessments are aligned to the targets in the standard.
Yeah.
And really checking that, because that would be, to me, the first step. And then looking at the questions after that.
So it helps
So
with the
helps organize all that.
helps organize that alignment where you're looking to make sure that you're assessing those targets you need to. And then also, when you look at it, okay, for my instruction for this unit, this is what I need to make sure I'm covering. Okay. Any other questions, wonderings, ahas? So as we look at this, as I said before, there's different ways or different item types, and Allison is now going to cover constructed response.